How to knit SSK. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you the SSK knitting stitch. Slip slip stitch is a very neat left leaning knitting decrease. Let's knit it together. To knit SSK, slip one stitch knitwise and then slip another stitch knitwise. And now slip these two stitches back to the left needle, but keep that needle in the stitches, and now simply knit these together through the back loop like this. And there is your SSK. Let's do it one more time. Slip two stitches knitwise, then slip them back to the left needle, keep the right needle inside, and simply knit these together through the back loop. Let's do it one last time. Slip two stitches, slip them back, and knit them together through the back loop. Let's do it one more time in slow motion. And that's how to knit SSK, slip slip knit. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and of course consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting!